Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ismail Hossain Fahad. In this video I go to show about how to download and install the Windows Server 2016. So basically in this video I make a series about Windows Server. So no further delay, let's begin the video after the intro. So guys, after the intro, welcome again in my channel. So now we need to download the ISO file of the Windows Server 2016. So at first we go to in Google Chrome for download the ISO server. It is the here a website of for the download the ISO file. So here the website link I give in the text description. So guys, no tension for it. You click the website link and you go this site. Okay guys, so at first you go to the need to scroll down and click the download, and download is beginning. This file is very big size file, almost 6 GB. So you need some time and it's take almost 1 hour time for download it. So guys, no don't worry, just wait and download it carefully. Okay guys, so guys, after the download the ISO file of the Windows server, we need to set up it. So we set up this server in virtual environment. We use the virtual environment, like here in we use the VMware workstation. You will use it in the Hyper-V, but I suggest you using the VMware because it is easy to operate and it is very useful. So guys, at first our VMware workstation is the open. So at first we need to create a virtual machine. So at first I click the create a new virtual machine. Okay, here here the two options. One is topical, the second is custom. So I select the topical recommended. This is recommended from VMware. So then I press next. Here the three options. Here the install disk. Here the image ISO file, and last one is the I will install operating system later. So I select it and press the next. Here the menu option, which type of virtual machine or ISO file you installed. So here the by default selected the Microsoft Windows, and version is many version here, but I select the Windows Server 2016 and press next. Okay, here they show me the Windows Server 2016 and the location. It is my C drive location, but I will change the C drive location because my C drive is so short. I make another dedicated partition in my hard disk for server installing. This is here server, another partition of and the VM. I select my location and press OK. Okay guys, then press the continue. Okay, here the show the size of the hard disk, which hard disk. Yeah, recommended hard disk size is the 16 GB, but I cannot change it. I just click the next, and so they are show me the summarize of the Windows Server. So okay, and I press the finish. So guys, my virtual machine is already created. So now I need to push the ISO file. So I go to the edit virtual machine and I press the cd-dvd, and I use a ISO file image file. Okay, and I select my ISO file location, which I download from the Google Chrome some time ago. So I finding it. Okay, here guys, here is my Windows Server ISO file. Okay, and I open it and press the OK. So guys, after the locate the ISO file, then we need to again the virtual machine settings. So I open it again and I go to options. and I go to advanced and give, so here I select here BIOS. Firmware type or must be need to set BIOS and press OK. Okay, and then now my everything is okay, so I go for the installing process. So I power on my virtual machines. Okay guys, I show everything in full screen. Okay guys, my virtual machine is loading for ISO with ISO file. It's loading and taking some time for setup. So guys, look at here my my so guys, look at here. My Windows Server 2016 is open. So part past it show the language to the install. So I select my language is English and paste the next. And so now it is the main part of the installation. At first I need to space the install now, and for the part installing setup is, so after facing the install now, the setup is the starting. It takes some time. Don't worry guys, it is takes some time for the setup. Okay guys, here are the four options. The four options here are the four types of the server. But I set up the server of the last one. It is the Windows Server Data Center Evaluation PC Experience. Okay, so I select it and press the next. Okay guys, here the main terms and license condition of the Microsoft. So you interest for reading, you will reading bar, so and press the accept. Check mark, I accept the license terms, and you press the next. Here the two things, but I select here the customly I select the hard disk location. Here the 16 GB who is the by selected, and I specific on the virtual machine. So I selected and press the next, and my data installing the Windows is processing is the beginning. It is at first is copying the Windows file, ISO file, and it is getting starting for the install. It is getting reading the getting file ready to installation. So guys, don't further delay. Let's stay with me for the downloading.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
process is almost done. It is getting few more time for the completing. So let's stay connecting with me, guys, for final setup. Almost four item is almost down installing, and the last we need to finishing up. Okay guys, my done installation process is all full done, and it is now my virtual machine is restarted within 1 second, and okay, it is starting the restarting.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Create account and set password for my server. So I set my password. So guys, my installation process is totally done. So I need to set password for further logging of my server. So I set my password. You set yours. Sorry. And re-enter the password. We need to re-enter the password. Okay. Now we guys, my server is totally ready. So now we go to logging the server. So here written here show the control plus alt delete to unlock. So I done here the control plus on control alt plus delete button is here, so I press here to unlock, and okay, it's loading. And here show the administration. I now I give the password to log it. Okay guys, so guys, look at my server interface. So here the start menu. Guys, here the start menu of the server. Here the main server. Here the Windows PowerShell. It is so I go to the open the server manager. So guys, here the main interface of the server manager. Here at first it is beginning the dashboard, local server and all server. Here are three options, and then the main server dashboard. Here show the server installation file and quick. Here the quick started option. So guys, we at first here the manage. First menu is manage. Here is five options. Five option is first option is the add roles and features, and second option is remove the roles and features. Add roles and features, guys. when we when we install any software in our local client or our user PC, we are go to install. But when you need to any service or any software install in the server, you must be using this option. It is the add roles and features. And second, when you need to remove the any service or software, you will use this option, remove the roles and features. And then option is then add new server. Here you server, then adding new server in your server manager. And then next option is create a server group. Guys, when you have the too many server like web server, mail server, other FTP server, other server, you will be grouping it for the another tasks and jobs for using the create server group. And next final option is the server manager properties. Here the go show the server manager properties. It is okay for the. So our next option is the tool menu. Tool menu has the all install features show here in our main server. Here the component service and others, event view, group policy and everything. Then the next option is the view option. Okay guys, so guys, in our next video we show the how to install. So guys, no more today. So I stop my video from here. And hope, and guys, I request you everyone for the subscribe my channel and like this video, comment if you need to understanding any topics or any need any type of help. And please guys, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you, stay with us, keep learning, keep safe.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. storms we